I've been down too long to sing you all of my blues. I've been here too long to sing you all of my blues. If I sing them now, ain't gonna make no headline news. Hurry down blues, I wanna hear you sing. Hurry down blues, I wanna hear you sing. I wanna know right now just what sounds you're gonna bring. There's Clapton, Hendrix, Pete Green, and there's Mel too. There's Clapton, there's Hendrix, there's Pete Green, and then there's John Mayall too, and there's Ainsley Dunbar and all them other cats pushing along the ways, Lord, that they've gotta move. And there's Steve Miller on piano. Now tell me people, what's this sound I hear? It's the blues. Tell me people, what's this sound I hear? Used to be a long ways off, but now I swear it's getting near. Real near, I hear it all the time, I'll tell you why. 'Cause it's the blues, it's roaring round and around my head. Blues is roaring round and round my head. It's stepping out so strong, it's surely bound to spread.